Here we are, welcome back. This is One Vlogger and it's a windy day today, and today I'm going to show you the basics of the drone, how to fly a drone. I'll be flying the drone in front of you and I'll be letting you know how to fly the drone. Stay tuned. So at first you need to connect the remote controller to your phone like that. Okay, you fix the phone like that and you connect the phone to the remote controller using the wire, and now you open the desired app and then you turn on the remote by double tapping it and holding it. So there it is, the remote controller is connected to your phone. Okay, now you need to turn on the drone. Double tap and hold. The drone is on. You can see the camera is loaded. Now you need to fly the drone. Now you need to keep the drone on a plane surface. Here I'm using the scooter seat as the plane surface. Now once the drone is successfully connected to the remote, you can see that green light is blinking. Now you press and hold both the joysticks downwards and inwards like that. The motor starts, the propeller starts rotating, and now you just slowly push your left joystick upwards slowly. So that's how the takeoff is done. It's a windy day, that's the reason why the drone is a bit hovering from left to right, a bit drifting, but that's not a big issue. Drone is in flight now. Now if you want to push the drone forward, you just move the right joystick forward like that. Drone moves forward. And to bring it backwards, push the right joystick backwards like that. The drone is coming backwards. Okay? You move forward with the right joystick pushing forward. The drone is moving forward. To bring the drone back, you push the right joystick back, the drone will come back. And it's coming back. Okay, and to turn left, to also turn the camera left, you just press the left joystick towards the left. Push the left joystick towards the left, the drone will turn left like that. It's turning left, and you are getting a pan left shot in the camera. And to turn the drone right, to pan right, you just push the left joystick towards the right like that, and the drone is turning right as well as taking shots, panning shots into the right. So pan 360 is done. Now if you want to make it hover and go up, you just push the left joystick upwards. The drone is moving upwards. Okay, there it is. Pushing the left joystick upwards, the drone is moving upwards. Pushing the left joystick downwards, the drone will move downwards. You get that? Let's bring it back to this position where you can see the drone. Lower position, okay. You can see the drone right there. Now, to take a shot towards the right, I push the record button and take the drone towards the right by pushing the right joystick towards the right, so it will move right. And same with this towards the left. If you want to take the drone towards the left, you push the right joystick towards the left like that. That's it. Left. So right, left, then forward, backward, up, down. Okay, and turn left, turn right. Again, forward, backward. Okay, move left, move right. Okay, bringing it to center, and then turn left, turn right. That's it. That's the basics of drone flying. So that was it. You're now familiar with the joysticks, the remote controller, and the drone, and how to fly it, how to move forwards, backwards, go up, go down, turn left, turn right, move left, move right. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and keeping that in mind, hit like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. And please let me know what you want to see next. So One Vlogger signing out. Ciao.